Oh man. Oh jeez, we're upstairs. Oh, we're upstairs. Sorry guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, they're in their room. They're in their room. Gotta go, so we're gonna go up. Open their door and freak them out. Here we go. Bell! Yeah! See, that was the best freak out ever. Wasn't that awesome? This has been Super 3DS Fan 101. Bye.